Hi everyone. Today we are going to see in a standard first English subject a very interesting story. But before that we will see one picture. Who is she? Can you identify? Now see, we all are stays with our family. In our family, our parents, our grandparents, our siblings stays with us. They live with us. So see, she is a grandma. And grandma has special day. What was the special day? Now in a year there is a one special day and we are waiting for that day that all will come to wish us. What was that day? It's our birthday. Now today is the grandma's birthday and no one has wished her. So she's waiting that all the family members will wish me and they will give the gifts to me. But no one came to wish her. At night she got a big surprise. See, all family members were celebrating and waiting for grandma's when she will enter to the hall and we will give to the surprise to the grandma. And grandma was shocked to see that all the family members still now remember my birthday. They have not wished me because they wants to give me a big surprise. Now see, our birthday also we are hoping that at least our family members should wish to us, our friends, our close friends and those who are our family members, our small sisters, younger brothers, elder one brothers, they will wish us and at least we are expecting few gifts also. So this is the surprise birthday party for grandma. And when your birthday is there, at that time also you are hoping that at least one person should wish to you. I hope you understand this surprise birthday. So same way we are going to see today how the birthday party was celebrating in the jungle. Now see, in the jungle only animals stays, not a human being. So in the jungle how the animals were celebrating birthday, that we are going to see in this lesson. Now our lesson heading is surprise birthday party. This is our lessons heading. Our lesson is a short and sweet story also is there. Let's see, we will see step by step. Look at the pictures, listen and read. Now see, can you see in the jungle there is a cave. It's a den. So who stays in this cave? It's a monkey. This monkey's name is Manku. What is the name of this monkey? Cute monkey? Manku. Now we are going to see the story. There was a monkey named Manku. What I said? It's a correct. This small monkey, cute monkey has name Manku. Manku lived in a cave. Now this is a cave. Like a lion, tiger lives in the cave. This Manku also lives in a cave. This cave also we call den, D-E-N, den. Now let's see what happened with his birthday party. Now it's a surprise birthday party. Is it a Manku's birthday or someone's birthday? Let's see. Next we will see. Now see, there is a nice picture in the jungle. We can see there is a rainbows, water and the trees. Now see, there is a white color dog. One more dog. Beautiful. And who is? It's a crane. And one more crane. Okay, so when we saw previous one, there is a monkey and the monkey's name was Manku. Now what will be the name of this ducks and crane? Let's see. A lake was near the cave. Now see, you can see in the picture there is a small cave. If you observe properly, there is a small cave. A lake was near the cave. Now this lake is near to the cave. And the cave, who stays in a cave? Manku. Ducky the drake and his sister Lucky live in the lake. Now see, you can see two ducks is there. Ducky and Lucky. Ducky the drake and his sister. Sister's name is Lucky. Ducky's sister name is Lucky. And they both are live in the lake. Manku lives in a cave. And this Ducky and Lucky lives in a lake. Jill and Jenny, the crane, live near the lake. Now see, front of us two cranes are there. So one crane name is Jean and another one is Jenny. And they also live near the lake only. All of them were Manku's friend. Now this Jean, Jenny, Ducky, Lucky, these all are the friends of whom? Manku's. They love to play together. Now we always like to play with our friends. So this Manku also has good friends. Ducky, Lucky, Jean, Jenny. They all are placed together and enjoy their full day only. Now let's see what happened next. One day Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, thought Manku. Soon it was a Sunday. Now see, Manku is really happy. Why he is happy? Because tomorrow is Sunday and on Sunday his birthday. Now we all are also happy. Why we are happy when it is a Sunday? Because we are getting holidays. Holiday on that day. But Manku is happy because on a Sunday he has birthday. His birthday on Sunday. So he is hoping that his all good friends, dear friends were going to wish him happy birthday. So he is eagerly waiting that all his friends were wish to him. Now we will see really all the friends were going to wish him or not. Let's see. Manku waited for a long time. For hours and hours. Now Manku waited for a long time. For hours and hours. But no one came. So he felt very sad. Now see, in our birthday, if no one will wish to us, obviously we feel bad. So same way Manku also felt very bad that no one has wished him and no one came also. So his full day was waiting for them but no one came. And what happened next? Really they came or not? Let's see. Manku went to the lake. Why Manku went to the lake? Because Ducky, Lucky, Jean and Jenny lives in the lake. So he thought like that, I will go near to the lake. I can meet my friends and after that they will wish to me. But no one was there. So sadly Manku came back to his cave. See, he went near to the cave also, but there is no one. Lucky, Ducky, Jean, Jenny, no one he got. So very sadly he came back. But he was waiting for hour and hour. But no one came. So he thought like that, no one wants to wish me. No one wants to say me happy birthday. Now it's evening. I have to go my home. I have to go to my cave. So when he come back to his cave, he got a big surprise. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow! A cake, said Manku. Now see, Manku when came back to his cave, that time he saw in his cave, inside in his Then Ducky Lucky, Jean and Jenny came out and shouted, "Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku!" Now see, all are hiding them inside the cave and they are waiting for him when he will return, when he will come back in the cave. But he was waiting where? Lake only. Lake. He was waiting for his friend in the lake. But they all are preparing surprise in the cave for Manku. We are waiting to give you a surprise, all said togetherly. Now, after saying happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Manku, they all are said togetherly, we are waiting to give you a surprise. Then one by one, everyone is giving gift to him. "I baked cake for you," said Jeannie. Then what Jenny has said, "I bought you some grapes." "And we have made this table for you," said Ducky and Lucky. Now Jean has gifted a cake. He baked for him cake. Jenny gave crepes. And the Ducky Lucky made table for him. It's really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together. Now see, if you give to you someone surprise, then that front of the person was precious for you. So same way Manku also likes his friend and he really said, "You are really great and I love you all," said Manku, and they all danced together.